How's it going, everyone? Jan13 here. A little different with this setup. I'm actually downstairs. I actually brought my whole laptop and mic setup down here. And the reason for that is because this item is pretty big for me to unbox, at least for upstairs. And for this video, I am going to be doing something that I've never done before, and that is unbox a console. What I mean by that, well, I, Bien 13 Rubinas, am happy to say that I'm out of the PS4 zone, as I'm now a proud owner of the PS5. I finally got a PS5, as I mentioned. This is the box for it. I actually got this when it was on sale for 23,990 pesos, I'm not mistaken. I got this one at the official Sony store, and it was like the last one they had in stock. So I actually now have it. This is not any bundle. This is just a standalone console. The other two bundles they have on sale are the Spider-Man bundle and the other bundle with two controllers. Those cost more than this. And yeah, just take a look in the box. We actually have the console itself and the controller. This is the aged up version of the console, as you can see. Take a look on this side. We have the console again on this side. The back, all different languages. This side shows you all the stuff that's included in the bottom here, the top, and the bottom. I really know that this isn't the Slim PS5, but as of the moment, they're not available here. So yeah, this is the console, and let's get on to unboxing this. Let's now open it up from here. Got it. First off, we should get this box out. Opening this one up, we do have our manuals, our AC power cable, since the PS5 has one built in, the USB-C to A cable, and the DualSense. Now, I actually hold this one before in some events in my local mall, but holding it for myself, this feels pretty nice, I would say. Taking a look at the front here, it's all white. The top, back, bottom with the headphone jack, PS logo, just all square triangle buttons. That's the controller. And here we have the HDMI cable. I heard this is actually 4K. I don't know if it will work for the TV I'm currently using on my living room, but I can always get a new one whenever, which I might plan to this weekend or something. And the PS5 stand. I knew you can set it horizontal or vertical using this. So yeah, PS5 stand. I think you should twist this and also screw, which isn't that hard to take out, I would say. And now that out of the way, I'll just try to put this stuff somewhere. they won't fall off or something. We now have the console itself. I should probably just move all of this here. Put this on its side. I did pretty much test this out when I first got it. So all of this may be boxed. Trying to be careful not to break this. Really struggling around here. That's for sure. Alright. Console now. Removing these white pieces. Hope that didn't cause too much damage. Put this in here. And this, my friends, is the PS5 itself. This thing is completely a biggie. Won't lie. So yeah, here's the console. We actually have power button, eject button, USB-C and A port in front. The side has one panels here. The back with the other ports from HDMI, Ethernet, 2 more USBs, and I'm not too sure what this top part here is. The back is like this, the disc drive is right here, and the bombs like this. Let me try to put the stand on. I actually saw a couple of PS5 unboxing videos, and I'll try to install the stand the way others have theirs. Putting this piece right here on the bottom stand. I think this goes like this. Yeah. If I'm going vertical, it goes like this. Place this screw on, which I've pointed something to install it. I think I got this. I think I might have need struggling here, folks. And yeah, there's a little struggle, but I finally got the PS5 stand on. And yeah, this is in the console with the stand on. Having a little trouble connecting this, but I do find out when you twist it goes 2 different ways. So you like twist it like clockwise, it will go to the position where you place it horizontally. But if you do it the other, where you twist it counterclockwise, it goes to this vertical position, which you need a screw, which you saw me have here. So yeah, this is indeed my unboxing of the PS5. Now, before I leave this for this video, I thought, why not set this thing up and show you how it looks on my living room.
Later.
Alright, so my PS5 is indeed set up. I had to get a 4K TV in order to make this all work, because even though I did try it with the TV that was previously set up here, it worked fine. Getting a 4K TV with like 120 hertz is pretty much better. So what I do like about it is the controller, the DualSense feels a little better than DualShock 4, and as you can see, I actually uh, downloaded some games, and some games I actually transferred from my PS4. Like I just downloaded Tekken 8 like last Wednesday or something, and the other games I have from my PS4 that were transferred to the PS5 are like Dragon Ball Fighters, Dragon Quest Heroes, the demo for KOF 15, Soul Calibur, Persona, Kingdom Hearts, the whole shebang. I did actually try Royal on the PS5, and even though there's a PS5 version, I actually knew before that the icon for Persona 5 Royal on the PS5 is a little bit different before. Like, it's hard to see, but there used to be the before Royal right there, but now they seem to like changed it, which is one thing I forgot to mention when I first got my PS5 is that I didn't even got any PS5 Pacific games, so I actually got out and got some the weekend that I got the TV. So my cousin actually got NBA 2K 24, and for myself, I actually got Elden Ring, which I should have gotten Kingdom Bridge of Spirits or God of War Ragnarok or some of the games other than this, but they were either all sold out or only available online, so I thought, why not give this a shot? It is 2022's Game of the Year, which in hindsight should have gotten this year's Game of the Year, which is BG3, but whatever. So yeah, that's basically all for this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.